Kids should not perform this experiment without adult supervision.
Let's make a jet-powered boat using a bottle. Take an empty bottle. Now take out the bottle cap. Make a small hole in a bottle cap with drill machine. Take a usual straw. Cut some portion from the top with a scissor. Now pierce the straw into the bottle cap through a hole. Now seal the hole with glue tack to prevent the air escape through the hole. Now take a bowl filled with vinegar. Pour some food color into the vinegar. Stir the vinegar well till it becomes colored. Place a funnel over the bottle. Pour the colored vinegar into the bottle over the funnel. Now place this bottle aside. Take a small tub filled with water. Now put a spoonful of baking soda into the vinegar bottle. Now close the bottle cap immediately. Put the bottle into the water tub and see the magic. Wow! The bottle has become a jet-powered boat. Liz, on mixing baking soda and vinegar, it releases carbon dioxide. The locked up carbon dioxide has a much larger volume than the vinegar and baking soda, so it bubbles up and it pushes outwards, building up the pressure through the straw nozzle.